Pipeline Studio is about understanding your workflow and knowing when it's running smoothly. Throughput. Throughput is the rate at which something moves through a system. It is not the size of the system. It is not the ambition of the operator. It is not the intention behind the work. It is the measurable flow of output over time. When people talk about being productive, they often mean effort. When systems designers talk about throughput, they mean movement. Effort is internal. Throughput is observable. If a pipeline processes 10 units per hour, its throughput is 10 units per hour. If a team publishes one lesson per week, its throughput is one lesson per week. Throughput answers a single question: how much actually exits the system in a given period of time? This matters because most breakdowns are not caused by lack of ideas. They are caused by misunderstanding flow. A system can feel busy while producing very little. It can feel calm while producing consistently. Throughput is indifferent to emotion. It measures completion. One of the most common mistakes is confusing capacity with throughput. Capacity describes potential. Throughput describes reality. You may have the capacity to produce 4 pieces of work per week, but if only 2 are completed and released, your throughput is 2. Throughput reveals friction. If work enters the system faster than it exits, accumulation begins. Accumulation becomes backlog. Backlog becomes pressure. Pressure does not increase throughput. It exposes constraints. Throughput is limited by the slowest stable part of the system. If recording is fast, but editing is slow, editing defines throughput. If writing is fast, but review is slow, review defines throughput. This is why adding more input rarely solves output problems. More ideas do not increase flow. More hours do not guarantee completion. Throughput increases when bottlenecks are clarified and stabilized. It improves when handoffs are clean, when expectations are defined, when work moves without interruption. Throughput is not about speed for its own sake. It is about reliable movement. Sustainable throughput is steady. It does not spike dramatically and collapse. It depends on structure. When you measure throughput honestly, you stop guessing about productivity. You stop asking, how hard am I working? And start asking, what is consistently leaving the system? That shift is subtle, but it changes how systems are built. Throughput is the first visible indicator of capacity. Without it, potential remains theoretical. With it, flow becomes measurable. And once flow is measurable, it can be improved. Throughput also creates predictability. When output becomes consistent, planning becomes possible. Deadlines stop feeling arbitrary. Expectations stop feeling reactive. Consistency does not mean rigidity. It means the system can be trusted. A system with stable throughput can grow carefully. A system without it grows in bursts and corrections. Before you try to increase output, measure what is already leaving. And baselines are where improvement begins. This concludes this session. Let what you've heard settle before continuing.